remember when I first met you.
Welcome to my bonfire night rules. Here we go.
Hey Jemima, I bought some fireworks for fireworks night. Do you want to light them?
No,
Why?
I'll get hurt.
Who should light fireworks?
Only parents or an adult.
Okay. Barney, shall we let Monty out on bonfire night?
No,
Why not?
because they might get hurt and they might get scared and hurt and they might get hurt and die.
So we should keep our pets inside?
Yes.
Jemima, I'm going to keep these fireworks in my pocket, is that right?
No,
Why not?
because they might explode and you might burn.
Okay. Jemima, do you want to light this sparkler?
No,
Why not?
because you need gloves on, otherwise your hands will burn.
Who could light it?
Only parents or a grown up.
Barney, when it's dark outside, can I read the fireworks using a candle?
No,
What should I use instead?
a torch.
Jemima,
Yeah.
I lit my rocket but it didn't go up. Can I go back to it and light it again?
No, never return to a lit firework. Thank you for watching my bonfire night rules. Just remember, stay safe but have fun. Bye bye. Didn't say anything.
When you're down and you're on your back, seeing stars all around. From the corner that comes the town. Hear words, they are all around. I remember when I first met you.